Shall we begin?
Let's talk trash. Compactors to be exact. You may think, what's to talk about? I push a button and the trash goes away. Yes, however, there are important steps to take before, during, and after that must be carefully followed to ensure you and your coworkers remain safe at work so you can go home safely at the end of the day. The trash compactor has the power to seriously injure and kill an employee who isn't careful. In an effort to keep all Velara employees safe during compacting operations, this training presentation has been created to point out specific company policies, rules, and operating instructions. Any questions, modification, or updates should be addressed to the Risk Management Office at 916-646-2700, extension 1163. OSHA regulations deem the employer responsible for employee training, safe operation, and maintenance of the compactor. At no time will anyone under the age of 18 be allowed to operate the industrial compactors. Only employees who have been trained will be authorized to operate the industrial compactors. Employees must receive training prior to appointment as an operator. Training will be documented and kept on file. After training, authorized employee operators will bear sole custody of the keys to the industrial compactors. Compactor keys are to be removed at the end of the day, prior to the last shift leaving for that night. OSHA regulations deem the employer responsible for employee training, safe operation, and maintenance of industrial compactors, and keeping records of training, service, and safety inspections. A trained service professional will replace any malfunctioning or broken components when called in for service. It is the employer's responsibility to allow only thoroughly trained personnel to operate the equipment. This equipment shall not be operated by anyone under 18 years of age. During operation of this equipment, it is recommended to wear safety glasses. If common refuse items are heavy, steel-toe footwear may be appropriate. At no time will any Velara employee attempt to repair, enter, or replace any broken part on the industrial compactors. Only rental agency personnel are allowed to work on equipment after having been called. Velara employees who are trained and authorized to perform lockout-tagout procedures will be the only employees to perform lockout-tagout procedures on industrial compactors. To the industrial compactor. If repair personnel are found not following proper lockout-tagout procedures, they will be asked to stop work and their respective company will be called. Inspect the equipment regularly for correct operation of the controls and safety devices. Make sure all warning labels are in place and in good condition. Replace warning and safety labels as necessary. Replacement labels may be ordered through the rental agency. These picks are of the critical points of inspection for a recycling industry's trash compactor unit. At any time the operator notices the compactor is broken, they must notify their supervisor immediately. The supervisor will have an authorized person lock out and tag out the compactor until repaired. Now let's take a look at the proper steps we must take to safely operate the trash compactor unit. First, we load the chute or hopper. Once the bin is full, go to the control box and turn the key to the on position. Press the start forward button. Wait for compactor to cycle material. The compactor will begin to compact the material automatically. No further action is required. Turn key to the off position. After the cycle completes, check bin to see if material is gone. If not, repeat the process. At the end of the night, or at the end of your shift, please remove the key and place it in the box. Supervisors should notify the facility manager to call in repairs. If the facility manager cannot be found, supervisors can call the numbers listed The recycling industries or green machine number is 916-452-3961. The Diamond Rentals Incorporated company number is 1-800-463-9444. In the event of an emergency, such as a fire or risk to human life, call 911 and direct them to the corner of Lang Avenue and Main Avenue. Make sure someone is out by the road to flag rescue personnel and to redirect them to the area. In case of equipment malfunction, notify your supervisors so they can have an authorized person lock out and tag out the compactor until repair personnel can come and fix the compactor. In closing, we'd like to say your health is too valuable to risk it by operating equipment unsafely. Please be careful and have a good day.